Ever dreamt of building a successful real estate business from the ground up? You're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through a comprehensive business plan that covers all the essential steps and strategies needed to start a thriving real estate venture. So, let's get started. Real estate is a dynamic and lucrative industry, offering immense opportunities for entrepreneurs like you. With the right approach and a solid plan, you can turn your passion for properties into a thriving business. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to venture out on your own or a newcomer to the industry, this business plan will guide you through the process of establishing a real estate business from scratch. 1. Defining your business vision and goals. Every successful venture starts with a clear vision and well-defined goals. Take some time to envision what you want your real estate business to become. Are you focused on residential properties, commercial spaces, or both? Determine your target market, location, and the specific services you'll offer. 2. Conducting market research. Market research is the foundation of a successful real estate business. Study your local real estate market to understand trends, demand, and competition. Identify potential gaps in the market that your business can fill. This information will help you make informed decisions and stand out from the competition. 3. Creating a solid business plan. A well-structured business plan is crucial for securing funding and guiding your business's growth. Include an executive summary, market analysis, organization structure, marketing and sales strategies, financial projections, and a clear action plan. Your business plan will be your roadmap to success. 4. Legal and financial considerations. Starting a real estate business involves legal and financial aspects that require careful attention. Register your business with the appropriate authorities and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Consult with a financial advisor to set up proper accounting systems and manage your finances efficiently. 5. Building a professional team. A successful real estate business relies on a strong and reliable team. Consider hiring experienced real estate agents, property managers, and administrative staff. Each member should align with your business's vision and bring valuable skills to the table. 6. Establishing your brand and online presence. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition. Create a unique and memorable brand identity, including a logo, colors, and a compelling tagline. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media platforms. Engage with your audience and showcase your expertise. 7. Building relationships and networking. Real estate is a relationship-based industry. Network with other professionals in the field, such as contractors, brokers, and lenders. Attend industry events and join local business associations to expand your connections. Building strong relationships can lead to valuable referrals and partnerships. 8. Marketing and advertising strategies. To attract clients and generate leads, implement effective marketing and advertising strategies. Utilize online marketing, such as Google Ads and social media campaigns. Don't overlook traditional marketing methods like direct mail and local advertising. Your goal is to reach potential clients through various channels. 9. Providing excellent customer service. Happy clients are the key to sustainable success. Focus on providing exceptional customer service and exceeding your clients' expectations. Word-of-mouth referrals from satisfied clients can significantly boost your business's reputation. 10. Evaluating and adapting your business. The real estate market is constantly evolving, and so should your business. Regularly evaluate your strategies and performance. Analyze what works and what doesn't. Be willing to adapt to changing market conditions and embrace new technologies and trends. Congratulations! You now have a solid business plan to guide you on your journey to becoming a successful real estate entrepreneur. Remember, success in this industry requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for helping people find their dream properties. Best of luck on your exciting entrepreneurial venture. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with aspiring real estate entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable business tips and industry insights. Thanks for watching, and happy real estate business building. Follow the link to get the most advanced real estate search bot available today.